Hello everyone, welcome to DCC NIT Agartala. Myself Tejas, and today I'll be discussing problem number A and B of Codeforces round 839 division 3. So in the first question, we are given an expression of the form A plus B where A and B are integers from 0 to 9. Both 0 and 9 are inclusive. You have to evaluate it and print the result. So like if you have 4 plus 2, we need to print 6 and so on. So this is a very easy question. Suppose we have this 4 plus 2, so we cannot take input in integer format because we have a plus here. This will give us error. So what we'll do is that we'll take this in string format, the whole expression. Okay, then we'll get the character at 0th position, then the character at the second position, that is I equals to 0, and then I equals to 2, because I equals to 1 is the plus character here. And after I get both the characters, I'll be subtracting the 0 character from both of them. This happens with the help of ASCII values. The ASCII value for 0 is 48 and for 4 it's 52. So in character of 4 minus character of 0 will give me 52 minus 48, that is 4, which is equal to the actual 4 minus 0. So let's come to the code part now. So this is my code. I'm taking input in the string format. Then my uh, first number, that is at the 0th position, is A, and at the second position is B. Then I will be simply printing A plus B.